How's it going, guys? My name is Rammi and welcome back to yet another episode of RQ's Garage. I've been out for a while, I do apologize. I'm back, but in today's video, we're gonna be replacing our windshield wipers on my Acura TL. These bad boys have been a mess. It's super hard to see in this winter season. As you can see, I have a ripped part of the rubber where I can't see the road. It's hard to see at night or in the daytime. So I'm getting these two new windshield wipers. These are Optix from Peak. I got these at Sam's Club. I'll link them in the description below. But we're gonna give a really quick and simple tutorial on how to install these bad boys on our vehicle. Let's get after it. All right, so with a quick Google search, I was able to find the measurements of my windshield wipers for my vehicle. So my driver one's gonna take a 26-inch, and then my passenger one is gonna take a 19-inch. With a quick Google search, you can find the exact measurement for your vehicle and get this job done really quick. So I'm gonna take out the old windshield wipers. These things have been here for a while. It just clips right off, and there's a little hinge that you push down and you pop it all right off. Super simple. And we can see on this old windshield wiper, I mean, I have some messed up rubber here. It's literally falling off. It's super cracked, it's really old. And this portion right here is my exact line sight for my vehicle, so it's super hard to see. Removing any of the crud, any of the grime, the salt from the road, the snow, it's been a mess. So I'm gonna replace this bad boy, and I'm super excited. And it is a little dangerous, since we can't see at night. I'll pick those up later, I promise. So we're gonna open up this bad boy from Peak. These are a decent price. I got these for about $11 a piece. And I do like the more low-key style of windshield wipers. There are some that have this like see-through version of it. It's spring-loaded. But these windshield wipers basically follow the shape of the rubber, and it'll just be nice and flush and flat on the windshield itself whenever it gets pressed on there. So there's a lot of different attachments when it comes to this Peak windshield wiper. But I'm gonna simply get this guy right here, okay? It gives you directions on the actual package itself, but I know how to put these in. So we're gonna slide it in and clip it just like that. Okay, then we're gonna go to our windshield. And we're just gonna slide it right open and pull the lock. This guy is all good to go, nice and clean. So let's go ahead and do the passenger side. Okay, so now we're on the passenger side. You're gonna replace this guy. This old one is a Rain-X. I really like them. That lasted me about 3 years or so. So it was really strong. It held up definitely for its value. So we're just gonna pop off the little cover. Okay, pull down, and it comes right off. And this one is still in decent condition. There are little cracks when it comes to the actual wiper itself. Let's see if I can show you here. So you see that little crack? It goes all the way along, and just with wear and tear and its use. But since my main one was broken and messed up, it should be a good time to replace both of them at the same time. So again, we'll come to the Optix, and it's a universal kit, so it's going to give you a lot of different attachments for all different types of vehicles. But I just found the one that works for my vehicle, and I attached it to the actual wiper. Okay. So again, we have the base wiper itself, and we have a couple different attachments, right? So we're just gonna find the appropriate attachment for our vehicle. And in this case, oh, drop that one. In this case, again, we're gonna use this same attachment here. So you see that little swoop right there. It's gonna come in, clip in, push. Just like that, it's all good to go. And then that little hook on the spring itself is gonna come in from the back right here. So we'll angle it in, get it on the hook, and we'll pull. And now it's nice and secure, so we can still angle it and move it if we need to. It's got good clearance. And just like that, the new windshield wipers are installed. So I just wanted to give you a little close-up comparison here. We got both of the new windshield wipers on, and what I'm not really liking about this windshield wiper is where it connects to the actual arm for my car. My car is old, it's getting rusty, and on the old windshield wiper, when I would put it on, I had this little cap that said Rain-X, so it would cover up that section right there, and it would hide it. So this would be kind of hidden right here, but this is more exposed. And these guys were kind of cheap. I mean, they were around $11 a piece, so they weren't anything fancy. And just like that, we have installed new windshield wipers on our vehicle. We all know how important windshield wipers are. They keep the windshield clean so we can visibly see everything on the road. And if these are getting cracked, they're getting old, or they're smudging all the rain and the snow on your windshield, it's definitely time to replace these guys. All right, well, these guys are happy that they finally got a fresh set of windshield wipers on them. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hit that like button, subscribe to RQ's Garage, follow me on Instagram, do the full socials, because you know your boy's gonna hook you up. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please hit that thumbs up. I'd really appreciate that. This is RQ. Welcome to RQ's Garage. I love you. I love that.